Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. We're touring with the W123 Mercedes again. Yeah, it's almost night. A little quick POV drive before it is dark outside. There we go. Let's start it.
Boom.
Nice. Yeah guys, I can't wait until it's summer and the days are longer, and yeah, we can tour, we can drive for the whole night until 8 o'clock, and it's yeah, then it's light outside. It's bright. I don't know.
Light.
Now it's
sun is shining.
Yeah.
But not today.
I can't wait until summer. In winter I kind of have a little winter depression. But
depression?
Yeah. But the W123 makes me happy.
Winter depression?
The W123 makes me happy to drive, be away from home, and yeah, like it's vacation or something. What are you doing? You're joking or something?
No. You're being rude to me.
I think? Rude to you?
Yeah.
What?
The Mercedes makes me happy.
Yeah.
What about me?
Doesn't it make you happy? What?
No, I don't mean it like that.
So my girlfriend is not happy about the W123.
No!
like you heard it. Yeah, the W123, but you also have an S123 and a C123, or how I call it, the coupe version and the station. Are you happy about that as well? You don't happy about
You don't happy? You're not happy.
No, not happy.
No.
But what I wanted to say is, let's go right here. Let's go this little road. It's a nice road with some gravel.
Gravel?
Yeah, gravel. Some stones here on the ground. I think you call it gravel.
That's a tree house.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I want to live here. It's nice. But it's almost 5 minutes away from my home, so I almost live here. But this is a little mountain place. Here you have little hills, and where I live, everything is flat. 5 minutes that way, everything is flat. But you have lots of water and things. Which side do we go? Right or left? Rock or paper scissors?
Maar I am that way?
Yeah, I am.
Wacht. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bro!
Oh,
je moet bij shoot gaan.
Until 3?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That way.
Until 3?
No!
Until 3.
No. You have 2 now.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, we go that way. Guys, I hope you enjoy this ride as well. You can't make the choice, so you have to watch us make the choice.
You have to make a video.
I have to go live.
Where your followers...
Live streaming.
No, you have to go on your Insta story and then you ask left, right, and then everyone can vote, and then you're gonna make a video, and then first turn you're gonna go left, and then you're gonna see where you end up.
Yeah, or let's do a quick Q&A or something. That is cool also. If everyone who is watching this video, let comment under this video with a question.
No,
I can answer it.
You can do that on Instagram.
In another video.
You have to put thing.
But in the reaction, you in the comments you can let you can place a reaction with a question.
A comment. Yes.
Yeah. And then we can do a quick Q&A in the next video, I think. sauna here. We need some fresh air. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to have a girlfriend. Sometimes it's hard.
You're so rude.
Yeah. we can also
It's
do
hard.
the window open. We can do the window open. Sometimes, no, not my dick. It's today. Oh no. I could I cut it out the video.
Bro.
No. Yeah, but let me know if you have any questions and we do a quick Q&A. Let's do it in the next video or something. Or let a comment behind on my Instagram.
Leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. Yeah. Now we are in the. Ooh, that was a bump in the road. Here you have in the Netherlands. You have much of these bumps. It's because then you drive a bit slower. So you so you won't drive.
It's to make
fast.
People, yeah.
To make people drive any slower.
Yes. What are you laughing?
Wat lach jij? In Dutch we call it, wat lach jij? What are you laughing?
Ik heb even een binnenpretje.
Binnenpretje. An inside joke.
Yeah.
She has an inside joke. But I'm curious about your questions. It could be about anything. About my life, about the car. I don't know. Let me know. And I'm curious also, which type of W123 do you think is the most beautiful? Oh, little dog, yeah, nice. Which type of the W123 is the most beautiful, do you think? I think, yeah, beautiful, it's difficult to say. The coupe is nice, but very nice, but in a specific kind of style. I like it in the coupe is a little bit sportier. I think it's a sportier version of the W123.
Oh.
And that car was coming from the right.
Oh, I didn't
right
mean it like that. I said ho, but that's hey.
That was people who went out. But
I don't mean ho like English ho.
Oh.
I mean it like it's oops in the Netherlands.
But I think the coupe is a little bit more sporty, and that's nice. So I will get it in the color red or something if I ever get one. But red is the color in the sunlight it's a bit it will fade away then it will get a little bit pink or something, and that's not nice. But if the paint is good, it shouldn't get like that too soon. But the station, this one is also nice. But the station is my dream car, like I've said in my other videos. The station is my dream car. So nice. You can go with it. To everywhere. You can take luggage how much as you want. It's very nice, very practical, and I think I like it the most in color green. A bit metallic green or something, but I don't know how to call it. But not green, but
green.
Not very dark green. Also, it's a bit.
I will show a picture.
Yeah, that's nice. And this one, I think maybe I like this one in the color yellow the most, because it's it's the famous taxi color, and yeah, blue is also nice.
This one?
I've seen yeah, that's my dream car.
Wait.
If I ever have a station, if I ever in my life have a station, I'm going to make it exactly like that. But the only thing that car has what I like less is the headlight is it don't have the blinkers in orange. So
you don't see that.
No, you don't. No.
What do you mean?
You don't see it on that
one.
picture, but on the other picture you see it. That's not original. I think that it had white blinkers. Normally it's orange. I think it's yeah. Why would it be white? I think it's orange, like original. But beside that, it's a very beautiful car. Wow! And like I said, this in yellow, it's very beautiful. But in blue, midnight blue, or I don't know how to say it. I don't know if I have the right
Navy.
The name for the color. Navy blue. It's yeah, it's very nice.
You mean this color?
Yeah, this color in
That's
blue,
navy.
and then very shiny, very
Yeah.
nice.
Bro.
But all colors are nice. Blue interior, I don't like that much. I think. Do you?
I think I also don't really like green. I just like
Green.
brown or beige. I think.
Yeah, brown or beige. That are the
But
most.
if you have
the most beautiful.
if your car is white or beige, then you can have a green interior. But
Yeah. I wouldn't ever have green interior with a yellow car, but
No.
it makes it. Besides
But
that,
also
it makes it
Not
classic.
not with a green car because that's too green. I
No,
would put it with
indeed,
with
but-
a white one.
Yeah, me too. But I would have a station
Or
wagon
brown.
I would have a car in green with a beige interior or brown interior. It would be so nice, or white or something. But white, it's modern. I don't know, and it's getting dirty fast. But green, I think it's nice. It gives it a little bit personality, I think, and that's very nice. It's green or blue. It's yeah. You like it or you don't like it. It makes the car a bit more personal, you know. You skip me, but it makes it.
Yes, sorry.
If you have a blue car with oh yeah, that's a T1, a Volkswagen.
Why is
T1.
it standing outside?
I don't know.
That's bad.
I think there's no place inside. They are renting buses here. But like I said, if you have a different color and a different interior color, it's you don't see rare color combinations a lot, but some combinations, yeah, it makes it personal. And I like that too, but I won't get it myself. I won't get a weird color combination myself. If you find a Mercedes W123 which has that original, then it's yeah, it's nice. It's it makes it rare, a rare car. And it's almost dark outside. Yeah.
The lights are turned on.
I can't wait until I have my station. It's so nice. Oh. Yeah, I'm currently every day talking about it, and my girlfriend, yeah, sometimes get mad at me because I'm the only thing where I talk about.
I only get mad because you don't listen to me, but I have to listen to you. That's annoying.
you every moment of the day you have to listen to me.
Oh my god, I want my car. I want my Mercedes.
I can't wait. I really can't that way. And let's search a good spot to park. Yeah, I think if I have my station way on W123, I'm going to live in it. I will never be home anymore. I think I'm always going to travel. And yeah, I think I'm always going to travel, like I said. And
you're a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not going to park here. I wait for the bicycle.
They're leaving their mom behind.
Yeah, but I don't think that was.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to travel with it a much. It's my dream. And I think I'm never going to sell it. Never. I want to get 3 million, 4 million kilometers on it. Oh, that's. I think I want to beat the world record with my Mercedes W123. It would be so nice that you see your name. Xander van IJzendoorn has driven 4 million kilometers with his W123 Mercedes. It's the world record for most kilometers on a Mercedes W123 or on a Mercedes. Yeah. There was a taxi driver in Greece or something which had about 4.3 million kilometers on it or something. Mm-hmm. It's amazing. Yeah. But he had replaced the motor and that kind of things. So yeah, the engine. He had replaced the engine and that kind of things. So that's. I think it wouldn't be possible without that, but. Going to park it here in the middle of the parking spot. And yeah, it was a nice ride. I hope you've enjoyed it, and like I said, leave a comment behind if you have any questions that you want us to answer in our next video, in our Q&A. Let me know, and hope you like this video, and until the next one, bye bye.